friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video I'm going to share with you this makeup look. You can see I'm wearing on my face right now. So you can see this makeup look turned out so beautiful. If you are newly married, you can definitely achieve this look. It will look very beautiful and people will obviously ask you like how you have done such type of makeup. Have you visited parlor to do this makeup, because it looks so beautiful, and definitely it is very easy to achieve also. And if you are a beginner, you can also achieve this makeup look very easily. I haven't used much costly products or high-end products. All the products are very affordable. So if you like this makeup look, then please to subscribe to my channel, which is absolutely free, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload my videos. And if you like and find this video helpful, then please give it a big thumbs up and share with your friends. So to achieve this makeup look, I have used this makeup palette today. This is SFR Color Double Deck eyeshadow palette actually, and this one I have bought recently and I have shown you in my haul video as well. So using this palette only, I have contoured my face, I have applied blush, highlighter from this palette, and I have also used this palette for my eyeshadows. You can see. First I'll be sharing the in-depth review of this palette with you all, and after that I'll be sharing this eye makeup and this makeup look with you all. You can see this product comes in a very beautiful packaging like this. So here it's written Double Take Professional Makeup Kit, Eyes and Face SFR Color. There is paraben in this makeup kit. If any one of you is having issue with paraben, then please don't take this palette because it has paraben in it. And the net weight is 22.3 grams. The production date is 8/2019 and it's going to expire on 8/2024. So we are getting 5 years of shelf life to use this product. And showing you the shades. So you can see the shades, so beautiful and gorgeous. So basically there are earthy tones and warm toned shades in this particular palette. You can see. So only this particular shade over here is matte. Rest all the shades in this palette are of satin finish, as you can see. We can create mini eye makeups using this palette. So there is also a applicator given with this palette. You can see. So this is also very good. This you can obviously use to apply eyeshadows, and this is a dual ended brush, and here they have given a sponge tip applicator. So sponge tip applicators are also very handy, guys. Don't throw it away because you can use it to smudge your kajal on the lower lash line and to apply satin shades also. So now I'm showing you the lower deck. You can see it's so beautiful. The shades are very beautiful. They blend really very well. They pick with brush and both with you can pick them up with sponge tip applicators, as I told you, or with any flat shaded brush. They also pick really well. So you can see the pigmentation. So this shade over here, you can see this shade is very light and it's of my skin color, so it's not that much visible, but rest of the shade you can see they're very highly pigmented. So you can see the pigmentation of these shades. These are so beautiful and so gorgeous. So as you can see, some of the shades are little bit powdery. This shade over here, you can see it is little bit powdery. You can see the pigmentation. Oh my god. First I'm toning my face. I'm using this toner by Alps Goodness, Licorice toner. Now I'm taking this serum. This is Biodandelion serum and applying on my face. Now I'm taking this lip balm. This is Nivea lip crayon and applying on my lips. Now I'm taking this Blur Perfect primer by Lakme. It's a very good primer. Now I'm taking this foundation. This is Essence foundation set 01 Soft Base, and it is a medium to high coverage foundation, as you can see. Now I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade I think Sand 20, and applying on my dark spots and blending it well. Now I'm taking this powder. This is Lakme Rose Powder. Now I'm taking this contouring set from this palette and applying on the hollow of my cheeks, my jawline. And you can see this shade is a very good contouring shade, and it is very good from fair to medium skin tones. And I'm contouring my nose using my finger. Now I'm taking this blush shade from this palette. This is a very beautiful coral sort of blush, and it gives very natural look. You can see it looks so beautiful, and it is very good for fair to medium skin tones. This blush shade gives very good natural look. You can see and I love this shade. It has a little bit of sheen as well. So now I'm taking this highlighting shade. This is a champagne sort of highlighter, as you can see, and it gives such a good glow, inner kind of glow. There is no chunky particles in this highlighter, and it looks very beautiful. Now I'm highlighting the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, chin. Now I'm taking this Hilary Rhoda eyebrow kit in the shade 03, and I'm filling my eyebrows, taking that dark grayish black sort of shade. You can see it looks so beautiful. I'm picking up that light brown sort of shade and applying it as a transition shade and blending it with the help of a blending brush. As you can see, it is such a beautiful shade. Now I'm taking this golden shade with the help of this sponge tip applicator that came with this palette and applying it in the inner half of my eyelid. You can see, and it is such a pretty shade. It is not visible in the camera, but actually it is a very beautiful shade in real. Now I'm taking this coppery brown sort of shade and applying in the outer V of my eyelid, as you can see. But I was not happy with the intensity, so that's why I went for this dark shade, as you can see, this coffee sort of shade, and I'm applying this on the outer portion of my eyelid and blending it with the help of a smaller blending brush, and I'm building the pigmentation slowly, as you can see. So guys, please do blend well if you want a very good eye makeup. Now I'm applying the same golden shade on the inner V once again to intensify a little bit. Now I'm blending the edges using the same blending brush that I used first. You can see. Now I'm taking that highlighting shade and applying it on my brow bone to highlight, and also in the inner corner of my eye to highlight, as you can see. So now I'll be applying kajal, and I'll be applying purple eye winking kajal in the shade black, and I'll be using it on my waterline. Now I'm removing the bake and also removing the fallout, little bit fallout. Now I'm smoking out my kajal a little bit, and it looks very pretty. I like smoking out my kajal always. It gives a very good look, as you can see. Now I'm taking these false eyelashes and I'm applying it, you can see, and I've applied them. Now I'm taking this mascara. This is Essence mascara, and this is my all-time favorite mascara. It has become my current favorite. It gives such good volume and lengthens eyelashes. So I'm applying it on my false eyelashes and also on my lower lashes. Now I'm taking this liner. This is by Purple. You can see this is a very good liner. So all the product links I'll give in the description box, and I'm drawing a winged eyeliner, as you can see. Now I'm taking this makeup setting spray. This is by Wet n Wild, and this is the matte variant. This is a very good makeup setting spray. Now after this I will be using lipstick, and I will be using Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade 06. This is the matte and metallic lip gloss, and this is a very beautiful pretty red shade, as you can see, deep red sort of shade. And I have taken the metallic one, the metallic lipstick, and it is such a pretty lipstick. You can see such a beautiful shade. So I have completed my look. I'll be back. Traveling, you can definitely carry this palette with you, because it is a all-in-one palette. Everything is there. There is both highlighter, there is blush, there is contour, sets, and also there are so many beautiful eyeshadows, so which you can use to achieve any neutral eye look, or a day look, or night look. So this is a very good palette, so definitely you should buy this, and it is very affordable. Actually the MRP is rupees 199, but I got this palette for rupees 249 from Amazon, so I had to pay some 49 rupees, I think 50 rupees more. So that's okay, because I wanted badly this palette. That's why I bought this immediately. And even on YouTube I have seen many YouTubers raving about this palette. That's why I was so much tempted to buy this and review it for you all, so that you can buy this palette, because it's such a gorgeous palette, guys. I definitely recommend to you all. So you should definitely buy this palette, and you should have this palette in your vanity. And guys, this product is always out of stock on Amazon. See, sure whether now it's available on Amazon or not, but definitely I'll give you the link. And this palette is also available on Cops and Lashes, so you can also buy it from them. So I hope this video is really helpful to you all. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.